If you are celebrating Super Eagles, this African Cup African Cup, if you are the one that's celebrating them, they won Angola, they won South Africa, and they are about to play their last match. Listen to me. If you are celebrating it, listen to me. This message is for all the Nigerians. I know most of you people will not like this message, but I don't care. I will not do what we praise man, but I will do what we praise God. That is the thing I will do. I know that all of you will not like this message, but that's not my business. Number one is a very shameful thing to all the Nigerians. Is a very, most especially is a very shameful thing to all the Christians in Nigeria. Do you know? Can't you see what happened? I saw the way Christians in Nigeria celebrating Super Eagles, the way they won South Africa, Angola. I was seeing it, both some of the Christian musicians that have millions of followers on social media, they were posting it, celebrating Super Eagles. Most of some pastors, some ministers of God, everybody in Nigeria, most especially Christians in Nigeria, they were celebrating these Super Eagles, telling the world that we have won this, we have won South Africa, telling the world that we have won Angola. But that is not my problem. My problem is that Nigerian Christians, you people have a serious problem. Every month in Nigeria, they are doing mass burial. In the northern part of Nigeria, they are doing mass burials in Nigeria. Christians have been slaughtered. But some of you that are posting Super Eagles on your status, you are posting Super Eagles on your Facebook, on your TikTok, everywhere you are celebrating them, telling your friends, telling the world, we are winning, we are winning. How many times have you posted about the way they are slaughtering your fellow Christians in this country, Nigeria? It's a very shameful thing to you as a Christian. I'm not against the African Cup of the African Cup. No, I'm not against anybody. I'm not against it. Even if it is possible, I want them to win the cup. If it's possible, let them win the cup. I'm not against Super Eagles for their match. But Nigerians, they don't have brain. Where they will take action, what they were supposed to do, they will not do it. They will be doing other things. All these Nigerian Christian celebrities, both all the people with the art film, musicians, ministers of God, all the Christians, both all the Christians in Nigeria that are celebrating Super Eagles, posting it on their internet. How many times have you posted about the way they are slaughtering your fellow Christians in Nigeria? No way. Country called Nigeria, where they are slaughtering people every month, mass burial, every month, mass burial in Nigeria. And we Christians pretend that we don't know what is happening. That some of us are pretending that we don't know exactly what is happening. Is a very shameful thing to all of you Christians in Nigeria. Both all these musicians that are celebrating, all these gospel artists that are posting Super Eagles on their Instagram, Facebook, posting it, celebrating them, and all these ministers of God, all the Christians, most especially Christians that are celebrating Super Eagles, celebrating them because they won South Africa, they won Angola, and they are trying to carry cup. You are celebrating them everywhere. Shameful thing to all of you people. You people are doing, people when you get sense. I want to know the kind of Christianity are you people practicing. Do you know what is happening? Our politicians in Nigeria, they don't want the world, they don't want the United Nations, both Americans, for them to know the way these people are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria. They are covering the news. They are covering the news. They don't want the world to know what is happening in Nigeria. But we Christians that in Nigeria supposed to bring in voice out for the world to know what is happening. But the main thing we say, we keep quiet. They praise the things where we're supposed to be doing. We don't go do them. Tell me the kind of Christianity Nigerian Christians are practicing. I want to know the kind of Christianity Nigerian Christians are practicing. Your fellow Christians have been slaughtered mass burial every month, and you cannot even on your Facebook page or your Instagram light it and tell the world, look at what is happening. Do you know the way Nigeria are celebrating this spigos that win South Africa? If can Nigerian Christians use this way anytime these Fulani and slaughter Christians in the north or slaughtering Christians in any part of Nigeria, if we Christians use this strength, use this energy, use this energy, voice it out to the world, things will start happening immediately. I'm telling you the truth. If Nigerian Christians use this way, they are celebrating spigos now, use this way to voice out the way they are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria, things will start to be changing. But they cannot do it. They cannot do it. Highest, if Nigeria win this cup, highest we will celebrate it like 2 days. It will not even affect our fair price. It will not change dollar, nothing. We will remain the same. Even though if they carry the cup, it will not affect our dollar price to be come down in Nigeria, and it will not make fair price, petrol price to come down. Hardship will continue going on in Nigeria. But I'm not against it. Nigerians, you people have a serious problem. You people have a serious problem. The right thing that you people supposed to be doing, voicing out, telling the world, look at what is happening, look at what is happening, look at what is happening. Nobody care. Nobody care. You are celebrating, enjoying that we have South Africa on top of dead body, on top of burial ground, that we are rejoicing, shouting, rejoicing. How many times have you posted about the mass burial they did in Plateau State? Do you post it on your Facebook page? Do you post it on your Instagram? They are slaughtering Christians, and our politicians will be telling the world that all is well, that we are taking care of everything. Where Nigerian Christians have been dying in daily basis, and we are here celebrating World Cup, and we cannot voice out to tell the world, look at what is happening in this country, Nigeria, that we Christians are dying in this country, Nigeria. It's a very shameful thing to Christians in Nigeria. It's a very shameful thing to all of you, because you people valued things of the world. Look at them. Look at them. They prefer to be happy 2 days happy. 2 days happiness. If Nigeria win this cup, highest 2 days happy. Everything will end. We continue suffering. They will continue surrendering us. We cannot use that energy to voice out. Tell the world, look at what is happening. We are there, you know. We are there, you know. Don't you know that our politicians, some of them do not want the world to know what is happening in Nigeria? And we are keeping quiet. Nobody. I don't know the kind of generation. In fact, I don't know the kind of generation we are into. They don't care. They don't even care.